Go for it.
Welcome back to Venture Brothers again, guys. I'm going to take you back to where I was born and raised, which is Mauritius.
You. Alright, dude, tell me about this place. What is this place?
Beautiful place, paradise, to be honest with you. A lot of people agree with me. So, born and raised there, left when I was 19. Beautiful people, beautiful coastline, and waterfalls, mountains, rivers. It's all about that, yeah.
And what are some of these places you've been showing us here?
I think we did around the coast, north coast, the south coast. We got the southeast river, which meets up with the lagoon, which is I think Blue Bay, and the waterfalls, obviously, which is in the center of the island.
Yeah, okay.
And the food as well. And I only went there probably 5 months ago.
Yeah.
So we just wanted to showcase to you guys how beautiful that place is, how easy the people are, easygoing, how amazing the food tastes like.
Is it a different pace of life over there, sort of thing?
It's island life, mate. So
Island life.
It's can I have a coffee? Yep. You got 30 minutes for it. Not bagging Mauritius out. I love this place, but it's island time, you know. It's coconut time. You know,
yeah,
that's
okay.
it.
Yeah, beautiful.
So, yeah.
Alright guys, we're going to show you some shots. I'm interested to see them. So I think we've got some waterfalls, some beach shots, and some island living. Let's check it out. Yo, Steve-O, I see you guys doing a couple of these journeys on the boat and on the back of a four-wheel drive. What were you guys up to?
So we were mainly there for my best friend's wedding, Julian. You're my best friend in the world. Yeah. So one of them.
You, Julian.
One of my best friends' wedding. So we were like best mans as well. Yeah. We went over there for his wedding, obviously, and we kind of plan around to do some island hopping, some four-wheel driving as well. Yeah. So one of my cousins got a four-wheel drive, Bertrand. That's for you.
What, Bertrand, he was just here?
Yeah. So he was here. So he's got that Toyota Hilux.
Yep.
Took us around on the coast, like on the cliffs as well. Do you know the lighthouse that you see in the videos? The lighthouse is called Albion Lighthouse. It's on the west side of the island. Beautiful place, cliffs, and you can see all the waves crashing into the cliffs and all that. Beautiful place. So we just went there, chilled out, just like look into the horizon and just, you know. So we got that. So we went to the wedding. So the wedding was at on the west coast as well of the island. Beautiful place, beautiful hotel, and you have the mountains as the backdrop. You have the water. You have the bar on the beach. You have people singing on the beach.
It's just paradise.
Mate, you can't really go wrong with it, you know.
Yep.
And you're around like some of the best people in your life, so you know, Guys, hope you've enjoyed that video. That's one of 2 videos that we're going to upload to YouTube. We've got so many beach footages, mountains, rivers, food, people, just so much, you know, so many colors, so all of it, you know, so we can't just put it in one video. So we're going to do one more probably in a month or so, and to showcase the true beauty of Mauritius, you know.
Oh, man. Sounds like you're passionate about it, Steve-o.
It is. It's your home. A beautiful place,
Yeah. Actually, on that note, we've actually been kind of excited about some future news coming up.
Yes.
We've just booked the old Yacht Week 2020. Let's go!
Yacht Week, baby! So, Yacht Week, Croatia, Ultra, and Greek Islands.
We'll see you there.
Sponsored by yes.
Tax offset. Can't put that on.